one of the best ways to get a great deal on a home right now in this housing market is to go new construction. Now, most of the time when I'm talking about these incredible incentive deals, I'm talking about move-in ready homes. The move-in ready homes are the ones that have the best deals when it comes to financing and special incentives. But that doesn't mean that there are not still some deals out there on homes that you would customize yourself by building them. So today I want to share one of my favorite floor plans from Fulton Homes. I'm excited to show you this one because the floor plan is very special. In fact, I think it looks bigger than it actually is. So I'm not going to tell you the square footage until after I show you the model tour. And you guess, how big do you think it is? This home is one that you would build from scratch. So what's exciting about that is you would get to go to the model design center and pick out your exact countertops, cabinets, flooring, and all that good stuff. And this home, which is located in Santan Valley, is at a very good price. The base price of this home is starting at $450,000. Depending on your budget, you could get a lot of different customizations. I like this floor plan because it's unique. When we're talking about new build homes, I see a lot of similar floor plans, but I had not seen one like this, so I'm excited to show you. Let's take a look. Okay, so what did you think? What is the square footage that you're seeing here? All right, well, drum roll please. The square footage of this home is 1,898 square feet. Now, I personally think that the layout is so smart and special that it looks bigger than it is. But if you are looking for a home that size, that's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, this might be your home. Fulton is offering an incentive towards closing costs that you could use to buy down your interest rate. So this is definitely something you might want to consider. If this is a home that you're interested in, I would love the opportunity to show you in person. My specialty is new construction. That's all I do. I love a new build home. There's just something about new. All those resale homes, they're used. This one's brand new. And this one, you get to customize and make it completely your own. There's nothing like a clean slate, all the modern designs, and the latest and greatest countertops, cabinets, and flooring. If you're not sure if you need an agent to represent you on a new build home, go ahead and check out my video up here for a little bit more information on why you should definitely consider having representation. If I can be that person, please give me a call at 480-789-0794. I look forward to seeing you soon.